Ki kertong ke NPP na po Nagaland, ki ba job hauniu election assembly ar polai. I nuklu toshi i ba job naka kong ar constituency kumba kendai hajar laispa prapunyo votes. Bat ka total percentage kalong kumba sampolai point laipung riu persen. I Dr. Tesel Huto Rutso i ba job naka Kohima town kendai constituency kumba kendai hajar praspa sapusa votes. Bat ka total percentage kalong kumba sabu kandai point 100%. E nyam ye ron yak iba job na kamoka sau popra constituency ilayo kumba prajar praspa 100 votes. Bat ka total percentage kalong 100.0%. Si kipili sangtam iba job na kaseo chung sitimi 100 kandai constituency ilayo kumba katwe hajar kandai spa 500 votes. Bat ka total percentage kalong 100.0% benay lam thiu iba job na ka thonok yu sanpunyo constituency ilayo kumba si pojar south pa andripo votes. Bat ka total percentage kalong 100.0%.